Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Opendoor seller account to sell your home through their platform, follow these straightforward steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Opendoor website and navigate to the seller portal. If you haven't created an account yet, click on Sign Up and complete the registration process. Step 2. Log into your Opendoor seller account using your registered email address and password. Step 3. After logging in, you'll be prompted to provide information about your property. Enter the complete address and relevant details about the home you want to sell. Step 4. Opendoor will send a verification email to your registered email address. Check your inbox for this message. Step 5. Open the verification email from Opendoor and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address. Step 6. Return to your Opendoor account and complete your seller profile by providing additional information such as your contact details and property ownership verification. Step 7. Upload any required documentation to prove property ownership, such as a deed, recent mortgage statement, or property tax bill. Step 8. Opendoor may require you to verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID or completing a phone verification process. Step 9. Once all verification steps are complete, Opendoor will review your information and confirm your seller account status. You'll receive an email notification when the review is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.